Hello, this is Opinion Radar. And if you've ever found yourself crouched under a car hood or hunched over a DIY project with a flashlight clamped between your teeth, you know how much of a hassle poor lighting can be. Today, we're looking at a tool that's designed to take the strain out of those dimly lit jobs, the Milwaukee M12 Rover service repair light. Now, Milwaukee isn't exactly known for cutting corners, and this compact LED work light carries that reputation with pride. Priced at $49, it's not just another flashlight. It's a purpose-built solution for mechanics, electricians, and weekend warriors who demand reliability and smart design. Small enough to stow in your glove box, but rugged enough for a professional job site. The Rover aims to deliver more than just brightness. It's about function, flexibility, and the kind of thoughtful details that make your work just a little easier. Let's dive into what makes this light stand out in a crowded field. Let me tell you, the Milwaukee M12 Rover service repair light has quickly become one of my go-to tools in both the shop and the field. It's compact, about the size of a tall boy can, but don't let its small frame fool you. This thing puts out a serious amount of light. I tested it in my garage during a late-night repair job, and not only did it illuminate the engine bay perfectly, but it actually spilled enough light to brighten up the entire workspace. The flood-style beam is impressive. Even the indirect bounce off the walls adds useful illumination. Whether you're under a hood, inside a cabinet, or navigating a dim job site, this light ensures you're not fumbling in the dark. The high/low brightness settings give you flexibility. Crank it up for full visibility or dial it down to conserve battery during extended use. And honestly, the soft start feature is a small but smart touch. When you hit the switch, it gently ramps up from low to high, preventing that jarring flash that some lights deliver unexpectedly. One of the standout features, hands down, is the magnetic base. It's strong enough to hold the light securely to a steel beam, a car frame, or even a metal tool cabinet. I've used it while working underneath my truck, just sticking it to the frame, and it didn't budge even when I bumped the vehicle. That hands-free functionality is a game changer. No more awkwardly balancing a flashlight or try and prop something up with greasy gloves. The 180-degree swivel head only adds to the convenience, letting you angle the light exactly where you need it without repositioning the entire unit. Plus, at just under a pound, it's light enough to toss in a tool bag without weighing it down. I actually keep one in my emergency kit, my work van, and another in the house because honestly, you end up finding uses for it everywhere. Battery life is another area where this light shines, literally. I've been running it on a standard 5 Milwaukee M12 battery, and it lasts forever on the low setting. I used it for over 3 hours straight during a power outage last winter, and the battery meter, which is built right into the unit, still showed plenty of juice. That built-in battery meter is a small but really helpful detail. You're never left guessing whether your light will die mid-task. And speaking of power, the addition of a USB port is a thoughtful touch. When I was camping and needed to top off my phone, I simply plugged it in. Not a fast charger by any means, but it got the job done when I really needed it. This versatility makes it more than just a work light, it's a solid emergency tool. Now, it's not without a few quirks. One thing I've noticed, and a few others probably share this frustration, is that removing the battery can be a bit of a wrestle, especially if you're wearing gloves. Milwaukee's M12 batteries are notoriously tight on some tools, and this light is no exception. I wear medium gloves for most jobs, and every time I need to decouple the battery, it takes a solid pinch and a twist. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to be aware of. Also, while the light works fine freestanding, it's a little top-heavy on smooth surfaces. You'll want a larger base battery or a magnetic surface to keep it stable. It's not tipping over constantly, but a wider base would have helped. At $49, some might argue it's a bit pricey for a single-purpose light, but here's the thing. When you factor in the build quality, portability, brightness, and versatility, it's actually a solid value. This is Milwaukee, we expect durability, and this light delivers. It's rugged, reliable, and designed to last. I've dropped mine more than once, accidentally of course, and it's come through unscathed. Whether you're a pro tradesperson, a weekend mechanic, or just someone who wants good lighting during a storm, this light earns its place in your kit. I've bought multiple units now, yes, even one for my dad, and every time someone sees it in action, they ask where to get one. It's not flashy or revolutionary, but it's the kind of tool that just works every single time. If you're tired of working in the dark, literally and figuratively, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more honest tool reviews. Stay illuminated, stay prepared, and as always, keep your workspace bright. Hit that subscribe button. Consider it the magnetic base for your daily dose of reviews.